Onyx coin holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. It's been about 2 days since I made my last Onyx coin update. If you notice, I didn't really update every single project beside HBAR and XRP, but we're back, back on schedule. And this, video is worthwhile noting because, of course, we have seen a major pullback for the crypto space. Some of the levels, we've been speaking about, really became a reality. But let's analyze and take a look at what's happening with Onyx coin together. If you enjoy these XEN updates, you guys need to smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But with that said, let's take a look at what's going on. So as you can see across the board, a lot of red. At this point, we are aware of this red, and we know there is quite a significant amount of uncertainty within the crypto space. As far as XEN is concerned, it's down once again 10%, guys. 10% drop today, in pretty much USD comparative, also down about 8% in, Bitcoin, and about 2% in Ethereum comparative. Market cap of 400 million and the 24-hour trading volume at about 84.6 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, pretty much since the last few days, dominance has been, picking up steam a lot. And again, not a good sign for altcoins, as we know, especially, when Bitcoin goes down and your dominance picks up strength like this, altcoins are going to go down much more. And that's exactly what we're seeing happening right now. If you're looking at BTC, let me kind of get rid of this. This is, pretty much drawn on my end because of the fact that, this is where I would like to see the Bitcoin price in order for me to turn bullish. But you can really see this for yourself. We actually did indeed see a double bottom, but we actually went below it because I did mention if you watch my market analysis update, I said if we are sitting below 78.5, yesterday and see the daily candle close below that, we could actually make our way down. And that's exactly what we saw happen. 76.4 was retested. Have seen a little bit of a bounce since then, but I am not buying this bounce. I still do believe that, we have more downside left. But with that said, if you're looking at XEN right now, guys, XEN is, retesting some of the levels, I spoke to you guys about. I spoke to you guys about 1 cent. And, people were trolling me, and I kid you not, I was getting, so much troll comments coming in. You're crazy. You're talking about XEN in a negative way for no reason. There's no way XEN would go down to $1. And here we have it, guys. I'm sorry. There's no way XEN would go down to 1 cent. And here we have it. We retested 1 cent. And at this point, honestly, at this point, so actually, let me take you guys down back to memory lane. Remember, 1 cent is a psychological price point. I'm sure everyone knows that. And, this kind of goes back to, the 2022 levels and, of course, early 2023. Obviously, we do have some support built up around that range. So, that support will come kind of handy. But pretty much, guys, below, you could say 1 cent. We do have some support around 0.0093, but pretty much after that, it's lights out. It's lights out. And I hate to say it, this is looking like a slow sell-off, like just from manipulators or whoever, pump the price the way they did, because it did not sustain well. And of course, maybe you could say the timing wasn't perfect. That can be said right now, but the way we have seen major fake outs several different times just tells you that, there is manipulation involved in my books. Again, at the end of the day, it's my own personal opinion. But, we did not see XEN bounce at times where the entire market bounced. And, I'm talking more of like around this range. So, I'm still seeing, so as far as our targets are concerned, perfect. We have seen every single target we spoke about, really became a reality. But right now, there's so much support around this 1 cent price point, that would be playing as a level of support. But you don't want to see the price of XEN drop in below, because if it's able to do that, I think we can actually make our way down to that 0.0087 cents, which of course is not something that a lot of people want to see. And I was looking at, the project itself, kind of seeing if they are, bringing them some news, as far as, the price, when the price was going crazy, a lot of exciting news was coming up, and now, they're still tweeting, but in terms of announcement itself, it's questionable based off of my opinion. Again, I have my right to, my own opinion. Everyone has their own right. Let me know your thoughts down below as to what you guys think. Are you guys still bullish on XEN, or do you think it's a slow, rug down to, some of the levels, where it started off? That's what I want to know from you guys. But as of now, there is significant amount of bearish price action. But of course, we need to factor in, the broader market retracement as well. But, we're sitting at some critical levels right now that need to hold. If not, we could be going below 1 cent. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace.